Okay, so this is a simple disk lock alarm alarm lock. So what it does is that we can lock any bike with a disc brake using this simple alarm lock. So this is quite cheap. I bought this like 3 or 4 months ago, and it seems to work just fine. Okay, so the disc lock comes with the key, obviously, pre-install battery. It uses button battery. I believe there's a 5 battery inside here. So the way that you access the battery is through the screw here and here. So you can take it off and enable the battery or change the battery. This is manual lock, means that you need to enable the alarm if you like to use the alarm mode. It won't turn on any alarm if we just simply press this lock here, but you need to turn it on by pressing. There's a hole here that you need to press. There's a button inside this. Use your key, press inside. You can see there's a sound there, on and off. This is on and then off. Okay, so if you like to use on your bike, you need to quick. You need to press the button, leave it open, press the button and lock. So for about 3 or 4 seconds it won't turn on the alarm. So it's very simple. Just press the button. So if someone try to tamper your bike, it's going to sound reminder first, but if the person continue to tamper your bike, so it's going to emit this very loud sound. So if you want to turn off the sound, you need to press this. Right, so this is not waterproof because you can see there's a hole there and there's electronic inside here, but yeah, it's good if you lock your bike inside a building. It's water resistant, not waterproof. Simple as that. Okay, you just turn this, open this, and then you can press this to lock, turn on the alarm mode and lock on your disc. Turn on, lock. Simple as that. Alright, that's it.